Here's my GE unit in my room. It's getting a little bit dirty. And here goes from outside. It has some few things in the coil. Here's the compressor. Wow. The compressor is rusty and dirty. I wouldn't be surprised. And here's the fan motor. It has a Broad Ocean fan motor. But it does make GE sounds, but it's pretty good. And there's a rust on the other side of it. There's a rust all over the side. Oh my god, it's rusty and dirty. God damn. This thing is gone. That's not good. The drain hose starts to get rusty. It starts to get even more rusty. Ew. This is the Wagon water compressor, which is nice. That's the way it sounds on the water. And it also made by Haier, just like Haier 5000 BTU air conditioner. Okay, off the next one. And here's my uncle's GE window unit. He has some few things in the coil on the top. Yep. Another Wagon water compressor. That's the same one, but it's a little bit, different in the compressor. It's pretty nice. One long thermometer. Yeah, rolling. Looks to be in good shape. But even this coil is already a little bit smushed. But a little bit smushed. But it's not that bad though. It's all good. And here's that's the bug leg on the drain hole. Get that out of here. Ooh, it starts to get even more rusty. Oh my god. Dang. That's the worst thing I've ever seen. It's so dirty and gross. Oh my god. Yeah, it needs to be cleaned on the bottom. Yeah. And it also made by Midea. Like Midea 5000 BTU. wait, no, I mean, or I can say, General Electric 4000 BTU with Midea. Yeah. Alright. That's it. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and over and see ya.